Nigga, am I speaking Arabic? Alright, chat. I got fucking raped today. It don't feel too good. I'm fucking losing it. I'm fucking losing it. No, I'm playing. Anyways. Let's go over today. Market opens. Okay, first of all, I took a loss, which it was supposed to be a break even. I didn't even fucking know. And then I took a break even, and the shit hit like a bitch. Anyways, glad this shit don't affect me. I'm just a hungry man. Don't know why I said that, but I am pretty hungry right now. Alright, so market opens and we literally just fucking rip ass, bro, and took out all the targets that I literally wanted. This was pretty sexy targets right here. And there's 1 hour unmitigated gap right there. And that shit hit. So my targets were literally gonna be like we inverse on the 15-minute fair value gap right here around market open, which literally happened. Or we go down to here or some shit, get a respect off that 15-minute and then go down lower. We didn't fucking get shit, bitch. So similar thing over here. I don't give a fuck about ES. But yeah, market opens and we literally rip ass and hit all the targets. I wanted these highs up here, and then ES had a pretty nice targets, but we had equal highs up here. A lot of this low resistance and stuff. And it literally got hit so fucking quick. It was literally insane. I was like, what the hell, man? And it just ripped ass. The only thing I would have seen, honestly, throughout the whole, or for this long right here at market open was like this 5-minute IFEG right here. And you go break even at this high, not this one. And maybe that would have hit. I don't fucking know. Well, it did hit, but come arrest me, then baby. But yeah. I didn't really see much else for this long. It went up so fast, and I was like, whoop. We took out most of the fucking targets. I was like, the only thing we really could aim for now seems like we're going to be going long, right? Because we just inverse the fuck out of this 15-minute right here. I was like, I guess I'm going long, so maybe just more of us draw liquidities over here. You know, Asian hasn't been hit, or London hasn't been hit yet. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, shit, might even go higher. And we just inverse the 15-minute. But one thing I failed to look at was the fact that we were bouncing off this unmitigated gap up here, or these unmitigated gaps. I was like, oh shit. So I didn't realize that much on those. And it was kind of SMT as well. Because we didn't reach this fair value gap over here on ES. 3 AM. Yeah, we didn't reach the fair value gap over here on the 1 hour on ES. But we did on NQ. So it was kind of screaming we might shit the bed a little bit, you know. But I was kind of looking for longs at that moment. I was like, we just inverse the 15-minute IFG right here. Boom, boom, boom. Like, Hoyer got inverse. I was like, fuck. It seems more bullish than bearish. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, fuck. I'm gonna look for longs here. You know what I'm saying? That didn't work out too well. We had a 5-minute fair value gap right here that got respected. I was respecting at the time. And, they had a 5-minute fair value gap to the upside. I was like, shit, well, it'll hopefully at least goes to this 5-minute fair value gap, right? And the most I'll get is a break even. You know what I'm saying? Boy, oh boy, was I fucking wrong. This 1-minute IPG failed me like a hoe. Also, I thought it was a pretty decent trade because we were literally tapped into OT of this whole range right here. And I was like, OT, bet, you know what I'm saying? 5-minute fair value gap respect, 1-minute IPG, 5-minute fair value gap unmitigated above us. I was gonna aim higher. Or actually, no, I wasn't. I was thinking around here in the 5-minute fair value gap. But guess what? I got fucking raped. So, that sucks ass. Let me go over to see if maybe like ES was saying some shit saying we shouldn't fucking go long. So I think in the moment, what was time? Was it 10:01 AM? There was no IFGs on on ES. So maybe that was a bad sign. But yeah. Also, I only traded my eval. I bought a new eval. I bought a new eval today, and I traded that only. And I got raped. So, yeah, and this is a mistake. This was supposed to be a break even, which I didn't even notice because I just got back from taking a piss. I was like, I'm gonna go break even at this high. Bitch, I was wrong. Because I was supposed to go break even at this high right here. Which, I didn't even notice this is a high. So yeah, I was supposed to get a break even on this trade. It would have saved me, but it didn't, nigga. And I was like, oh shit. And I was like halfway down. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just take the loss. Or you'll get a winner or break even after this high right here. And I got a loss. I was like, fuck. I was like, oh well, it is what it is. And I was like, shit, let's see how this plays out. I'm surprised to see it didn't even get hit. Like, at least the 5 minute didn't get hit or this high up here. Pretty crazy, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. But yeah, that happened, and I was like, okay, maybe we go short down to, oops, where am I? What the fuck's happening? We go short down to maybe these lows down here, you know what I'm saying? Something like that, you feel me? There's also equal lows right here, by the way. Where they at? Yeah, these are exact equal lows, and I was like, pretty good. But I was really aiming for like this daily low down here, so I was like, maybe we get a 5 minute fair value gap, inverse. Maybe I might miss a move, oh well, but there's a 5 minute fair value gap up here, which, might get hit and go lower, which I'll go over that in a bit. But yeah, and I was like, shit, I'm gonna look for shorts now, right? Unless we like don't get shorts at all. But we actually did get shorts. So there's a 5 minute BPR up here. This looks very hard to look at, huh? Hold on. It's a 5 minute BPR right here. 5 minute fair value gap, OT. Very, very high probable area of rejection. And I was like, this is pretty good. I'm waiting for us to get hit. Maybe we get shorts, right? Nigga. Boom, bang, and then I was like, okay, let's see what type of IFG we get here. And I was pretty confident because, like, if it didn't go all the way down here or some shit, which I was gonna aim for because I have like a what's it called? There's a consistency rule on the evals, so I probably just like, I would have just made everything back and just hit TP and just hit the consistency rule or whatever. But I got break even instead. Yeah, but yeah, so I was like, we had 5 minutes for value ups to the downside as well, which made me pretty confident. So if it was gonna hit these guys down here or whatever the fuck, it was gonna at least hit these 5 minute for value gaps. And there's also another BPR right here. So I was like, huh. Yeah, there wasn't a 1 minute IFG, and the highest time frame one was a 30-second IFG, which I'm fine with taking due to the fact that it is a 5 minute fair value respect continuation model to the downside. So I was like, alright, bet 30 second, I'll take it. Took 30-second, went break even after this high, low got taken out. Got the break even, and it stalled in drawdown for a bit because of the fucking fair value gap over here, and then it's just a bed. After inversing this one, like, what? Make it make sense, bro. I don't know. But, yeah. I'm not too mad about this trade. This trade, I follow my rules on and everything. It's the first trade I was pretty, disappointed in because I didn't go breaking when I was supposed to. I didn't even notice, and I wasn't focused enough to do it because I came back from taking a fucking piss. But yeah, I ain't tripping too much. It's just an eval trade. Pretty annoying though, because now it's gonna take me 3 days to pass this hoe. And we're gonna see how that goes though. But I'm glad I bought an eval because Israel controls the world, so it controls a lot of stuff. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I hopped off after the second trade. Yeah, I didn't see much I could have took off this long. This is this is a pretty good long. That made a lot of sense, but there wasn't really much I could take it off of, unless I traded like mad discretionary, which I'm not too confident in yet because I haven't traded for like a whole week. So getting back into it, yeah. Imagine not trading for a whole week and come back and you take a fat ass dick up your ass. How do you think that makes you fucking feel, huh? Huh? Tell me. But yeah,